Welcome back. I hope you are doing great. In the conceptual class, we understood three types of outer joins. There is full outer join, left outer join, and right outer join. Let us experience them as a part of the hands-on. First, let us get started with the left outer join. I have logged into MySQL and I am using a database called University. We have already created a couple of tables named customers and orders. If you have not created the customers and orders table, please create these two tables and insert values into that. But let us look at these two tables before we start the left join. I'll say select star from customers. This is how our data looks like. We have a customer ID, we have name, we have age, we have address. And let us do the same thing with the orders. So this is our orders table. If you remember, we need to have a common key to join two tables. In this case, customer ID is the common key. Based on that, we're going to join these two tables. And we are going to do a left join now. We understood in a conceptual class, left join is a type of join where it gets all the records from the left table and matching records from the right table. How do we do it? So this is the syntax. I'm saying c.customer ID, c.name, o.customer ID. I'm going to select these three columns from customers and I'm saying left join here and orders O. So now customers is the left table, orders is the right table, and I'm going to join them on condition where customer ID is equal to orders customer ID, which is the common key. Let us go ahead and execute this. You can see we get all the records from the left table. Left table happens to be customer table, but only the matching records from the right table. Let us examine this. We have one. Is one matching with the any of the customer ID in orders? No. That is the reason we should have a null value there. Two is matching. Yes. So there'll be record from here also. Three is matching. So it is also coming from right table. Four is matching. Yes. But 5, there is no match for the 5 in the orders table. So there will be a null value introduced there. 6, there is no value in the customer ID column of orders, which is matching 6. So we need to introduce the null value there. Awesome, isn't it? So this is how you do a left outer join. To just iterate, it got all the records from the left table. Here in this case, customers table, only the matching record from the orders table. You can also use the left join with condition. What do we do? In this case, I am going to use a condition. Everything remains same except that I am using a condition age is greater than 30. So in that case, what happens is if I look at the table here, only those records where age is greater than 30 would be funneled to the joins. In this case, 35, 32 and 45. And these 35, what is the customer ID of this 35? 2. This 2 would be compared with the customer ID of orders. Is it matching? It is matching. Then we have 32. 32's customer ID is 4. That would be matched with the customer ID of the orders. Yes, it is matching. Then we have 45. 6 is the customer ID of 45 age. Then is there a 6 here? No, it is not. Then null will be introduced there. Let us go ahead and execute this and see how it looks like. We have only 3 records because when we did a filter, only 3 of the records pass this condition. Those records are considered for a left join. With that, we got 2 of them are matching from the right, 1 of them is not matching. That's the reason there is a null value here. Awesome. We understood the left outer join. How about the right outer join? It is just the opposite of the left outer join. In right outer join, let me bring up the tables again. Select start from customers. This is our table and we'll also say orders. Okay, I need to make this is the right table. So in the right table, we have 3 columns and customer ID is one of the common key between the orders and customers. See here, if you can see, everything remains same as per the syntax what we executed in left join, except that right join, this keyword has been changed. So now the right table happens to be orders. Customers happen to be left. We'll get all the records from the orders, only the matching record from the customers. Let's go ahead and execute this. You can see all the records. They are 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. We got all the records. And only the matching records from the left. So 2, 3, 4 customer ID are also there in the customer table. They are matching. That is the reason we have a values here. Since 7, 8, 9 customer ID is not there in the customer table, we have null values here. We can also do the right join with a condition. Let us go ahead with the condition. The condition what we are trying to do here is we want the purchase amount to be greater than 3000. As I already indicated, the way it works is first this will be executed. So purchase amount should be greater than 3000. We can see from the table purchase amount is greater than 3000 in only two records. One is a customer ID with 2, another one is customer ID with 9. Only these two records will be considered for the join. Now 2 will be compared with the customer ID values in customers table, and 9 will be compared with the values in the customer ID column of customers. Whichever is matching will get the records. Wherever it is not matching, will have a null values. Here we have only 2 matching, 9 is not matching. That's the reason null values are introduced here. Awesome. We understood how the left and right outer joins work. How about the full outer join? In MySQL, there is no full outer join, but there is a hack there. What we can do is we can do the left outer join and do a union of that with the right outer join. That becomes a full outer join. In other cases, we may have the full outer join, but in MySQL, we don't have. So full outer join is nothing but where we get all the matching and non-matching records from both the tables. Wherever the values are not there, null will be introduced there. If you see here, all the records from left table, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the records from the right table, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. Both of them are there. Wherever the records are matching, they are brought together. Wherever the records are not matching, nulls are introduced there. Awesome. We understood left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join in MySQL. Thank you. Please do practice.